Congress ended a busy work period after passing the Inflation Reduction Act, IRA, last week. This Holland and Knight alert summarizes the healthcare provisions in the IRA and provides an outlook on health policy issues that may be addressed when Congress returns after Labor Day. The Inflation Reduction Act. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022, IRA, cleared Congress on August 12, 2022, following the House passage of the legislation, and was signed into law by President Joe Biden on August 16, 2022. Along with energy, environment and tax provisions, the IRA extends for 3 additional years the expanded premium tax subsidies first enacted in the American Rescue Plan Act, ARPA, allowing for expanded and more affordable coverage on Affordable Care Act, ACA, marketplace plans. See Holland and Knight's in-depth summary on the full IRA legislation. The Inflation Reduction Act, Summary of the Budget Reconciliation Act, August 8, 2022. The IRA also includes significant drug pricing reforms, including Medicare drug price negotiation, Medicare inflationary rebates and Medicare Part D benefit redesign. Notably, there are many areas where Congress delegated decisions to the Secretary of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, and thus will require further clarification through the regulatory process. The drug pricing provisions are also likely to be subject to legal challenges. ACA premium tax credits. The Affordable Care Act, ACA, created subsidies to offset the cost of health insurance, capping how people signing up on the ACA marketplaces pay at a certain % of their income. These subsidies work on a sliding scale. Under the original law, people whose incomes are at or just above the federal poverty level, FPL, received the most generous subsidies, and no subsidies were provided for those above 400% of poverty. However, the American Rescue Plan Act, ARPA, expanded the premium tax credits for a 2-year period, making them more generous for lower-income beneficiaries and also extending them beyond the 400% FPL cutoff by capping beneficiary premiums at no more than 8.5% of an individual's income. The ARPA tax credits were originally set to expire on January 1, 2023. Under the IRA, these credits will now be extended for another 3 years.